Welcome to BrainBox, your ultimate quiz challenge. Test your knowledge, challenge your friends, and sharpen your mind. Subscribe now and join the BrainBox family. 1. Gold plus a fish. What animal does that make? And there it swims, the shining goldfish. 2. An orange plus the number 10. What creature pops out? Swinging onto the scene, the amazing orangutan. 3. The letter E plus a goal net. What does that form? Wings up, it's the soaring eagle. 4. Rain plus the letter O. What animal shows up? Charging forward, the mighty rhino. 5. A star plus a fish. What do you see? Bright and splashy, the glowing starfish. 6. A P plus a male sign with a cork. What appears? Strutting proudly, the royal peacock. 7. An empty square plus the letter L. Who could that be? Quick and jumpy, the busy squirrel. 8. The letter B plus an ear. What animal is that? You heard it right. It's a bold little bear. 9. A sheep plus a dog. What forms? Barking and fluffy, the loyal sheepdog. 10. The letter S plus a fingernail. What comes to mind? Slow and tiny, the wandering snails. 11. Golf plus a bat. What creature appears? Swing, swoop, and flap, it's a bat. 12. Jelly plus a fish. Who wiggles in? Soft, squishy, and floating, the jellyfish. 13. Earth plus a worm. What does that create? Crawling from underground, the classic earthworm. 14. A half moon plus a key. What animal is that? Mischief incoming, it's the playful monkey. 15. A cat plus a pill. Who appears? Small, cute, and wiggly, the caterpillar. 16. The letter C plus a kit box. What comes alive? Leaping into action, the quick cricket. 17. A blue circle plus a brick wall. What creature emerges? Enormous and graceful, the great blue whale. 18. C plus a horse. What do you get? Floating proudly, the adorable seahorse. 19. A cat plus a fish. What appears? Sleek and swimmy, the clever catfish. 20. The letter B plus a father and son. Who comes forward? Strong and steady, the rumbling bison. 21. A heart plus a star. What animal is that? Cute and cuddly, the tiny hamster. 22. Butter plus a fly. What does that form? Fluttering by, the dazzling butterfly. 23. A bull plus a dog. What shows up? Tough and loyal, the proud bulldog. 24. The letter E plus an ant. Who arrives? Big, wise, and amazing, the mighty elephant. 25. The letter D plus an ear. What animal is that? Graceful and gentle, the peaceful deer. 26. The letter D plus a fish fin. Who swims up? Ear. Who appears? Sniffing the trail, the hungry anteater. Let me know how many you got right. Don't forget to drop your results in the comments section. Please subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.